Hi, this is Kelly from Pataka Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and in today's quick tutorial, we are going to be working with the multi-choice text box, and we are specifically going to be designating a background color for our box and also how to designate a background image for this box. Now stick around till the very end because I'm going to show you a little advanced tip on how you can create an even more detailed border for your box. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this image. We're going to drag it out with our mouse and let go of it, and the default is going to be set to a field of 4 choices, and we will use that for right now just to start. Okay, so I'm going to stretch it out and make it nice and big so you all can see it. Okay, now if we want to designate the background color, right now it has kind of a pale blue. Now I want to hover over the item and make sure I click on this tail here, and the whole entire box will be highlighted with that blue line. Okay, so I know I am working with the entire thing. Now be careful not to click on this one because it's only going to designate the color of this box. So make sure you have the entire thing highlighted like that. Then we're going to come over to container properties, and we see that it is set as a grid and it has 10 columns. Okay, that's fine. It's randomized. You want to make sure it is clicked to randomize if you want your answers to be randomized in the play mode. All right. So now we're going to come up to background color. So we're going to click on the little circle that says color, and it is currently designated as this color. You can always choose a more specific color by adjusting this here, or you can use one of the pre-made colors in the palette over here. Now we're simply going to select black. Okay. Now you can also select transparent, and what this means is if you already have a pre-made background and you want to layer this over the top of it, this border or this edge is going to be transparent, so it will show through your background. Okay, so we're just going to do black. Okay, so that is our box. That's how you change the color. Now let's go ahead and change the image. Okay, so we want to make sure we click on this again. We know we've clicked on it because it's all highlighted. And we're going to come over to background image. So this time let's do a glittery background. Okay, so that's how you would use an image to change your background. Now let's go ahead and do a little bit more advanced one. So we're going to grab a text box. Okay, I'm going to delete the text from inside. I am going to pull it out like this and then change this background color to black. All right, so we'll put it right here. Actually, I'll just put it in the center so you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab my multi-choice text box here. And I think I want to do, let's do a field of 3. So I'm going to show you how you can adjust this. So you're going to click right here on that one button, and we're going to delete it. Okay, and then we're going to come down to where it says container properties and change the columns to 3. Okay, and now if we move around our button, let me make sure I'm clicking on it here. It will readjust. Oops, it will readjust everything with 3 inside. Okay, so you can make things taller, or you can make them like that, buttons like that. So just kind of play around with it. So we want to have 3 buttons like this. And what we want to do is we want to change the border to our background sparkly picture. So we're going to select that. And we have this black border here. I want the border to not be square with these sharp edges. I want it to actually match the border here. So I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to go to border and see that the radius is at 10. So now I want to come over and click on this black text box, and I'm going to come over to its radius and make sure that it is set to 10 as well. So now it actually matches. Okay, now I'm going to click on each of these buttons by holding command and then clicking each one, coming over to background color, and I'm going to change those to black. Now I'm going to click on those again, and then I'm going to come up to text and change the color to white. And then I'm going to make the text a little bit larger. Let's see. Make it a little bit larger. Okay, so we can always size this down again if we want it to be a little bit smaller. Oops. Click on that little tab. Okay, and we're going to size it down like that. And then we would just size this up. So now we have a little bit more unique of a border. Okay, let's just make everything fit a little bit better here. And if we wanted to move it all down, we could do that. Okay, so we click on everything and just move it down here and bring this one down here. All right, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and share it with anyone else who would enjoy it. This is part of a series. This week I'm going to be showing you how to use this multi-choice text box in a variety of ways, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will post daily videos on this series. I hope you enjoy. All right, I'll see you in the next one.